let's show you what's going on outside, because if you're inland, it's very beautiful. We are seeing some high clouds, but still a lot of that sunshine making its way through. But look at Del Mar. This is the scene for many areas along the coastline, but not all of them. I was just looking at Mission Beach and PB. There's a lot more sunshine there, but La Jolla and Del Mar, even areas of Oceanside, pretty cloudy this midday. It is warmer though. Look at this. Poway, Chula Vista, flirting with 70 degrees already. IB also at 68 degrees. Compared to yesterday, it's going to be feeling like spring. We're doing kind of a weather whiplash here. Over the next several days, we're going to see a lot of changes. So Campo yesterday only hit 58 degrees. Today I'm forecasting 74. That's 16 degrees warmer than yesterday. Widespread areas of 10 to 15 degrees warmer than yesterday for our valleys and also our mountain locations. Whereas along the coastline, Chula Vista, 66 yesterday. I'm forecasting 71 today, which is 5 degrees warmer. So areas along the coast and just inland, about 3 to 6 degrees warmer than yesterday. And even warmer tomorrow as high pressure builds and pushes the colder air farther to the north of us. But that atmospheric river event that I was just showing you, bringing a lot of rain and snow to northern California. Then that's going to be diving south through the day on Thursday, and on Friday we're going to see those showers develop for us here locally. We're talking about your Friday evening commute. Scattered shower activity, generally light to moderate. Drier for the weekend. There is a slight chance for a few sprinkles Saturday early along the coastline and maybe even into the afternoon for our inland areas, but most of us will be dry. 80 degrees tomorrow for our inland areas and then back into the 60s. We'll also see the winds pick up Friday and Saturday in the mountains and deserts. Guys?